Hi guys! Welcome to Tiger Garage. So, andito na naman tayo ngayon. Maulan na naman na morning. Sa wakas, medyo tapos-tapos na yung mga projects ng client. Sariling kotse naman. So, this is a personal car. This is a 2015 STI. So, anong gagawin natin dito? Number one, syempre, i-wrap natin. Gagawin natin, hindi ko muna sabihin yung kulay. Surprise na lang sa kulay. Tapos, alright, i-wrap namin ng color. Tapos, yung iba kasi nasimulan ko na actually, katulad nito. Nilagyan namin ng DRL. And then, nilagyan namin ng laser fog lights. So, ang fog lights niya, may low. Sumasama din siya high. At ang kagandahan niya, no modification needed. Just plug and play. Ibo-bolt on lang yung parts. Alright, yan yung sa harap. Sa gilid naman, itong gulong, as you can see, stock mugs pa to. Papalitan namin ng TE37 para pumogi naman konti kasama ng color, pero surprise pa rin yung color. Sa loob naman, kakabitan namin ng carbon fiber steering wheel which is custom made. We custom made them not by ourselves but by our partner company. Maliban sa steering wheel, papalitan din namin yung shift knob ng aftermarket para gumanda yung handling ng shift knob, ng shifting. Tapos, punta naman tayo sa likod. Actually, we are started from our partner company, Drip Sauce. So, ito, nakakabit na tayo ng Drip Sauce. So, if anyone of you guys need Drip Sauce, pwede kayo mag-PM sa page. I can hook you up with some Drip Sauce exhaust. More or less yan yung gagawin natin sa STI natin for the start. So, if you are interested in what's gonna happen to STI, wait till you see. Let's go! Hi guys! We are now back to Tiger Garage 2 weeks later. Sa wakas, natapos na rin ang aking beloved STI. So, anong mga nagawa natin? Of course, ang pinakahalata is yung kulay. As you can see, we wrap it in chameleon blue and violet. Pero may konting catch. Ang ginamit naming film is, imbis na vinyl wrap, ang ginamit namin is color PPF. So, what are the advantages? It has protection against scratches and it protects the paint from any slight gas-gas, slight bangga, basta wag lang yung lumubog. Or even if it lumubog siya, the paint will not be scratched. So, imbis na pipinturahan nyo, tatanggalin nyo lang yung original film and then just dent lift the bangga. So, that are their advantages. Siyempre, lalo na kung ganitong kotse, maingay, maganda, meron talagang nagagalit sa'yo. Lalo na pag pinaparking mo siya sa labas, sa yung alongside the road. Kasi meron mga masamang tao, ginagasgas yung kotse nyo. So, susi, coins, ganon. So at least ngayon, naka-protected siya. Kahit gasgasan yan, hindi matamaan yung paint. So hindi mo na kailangan siya i-repaint. Tatanggalin nyo lang yung existing film ngayon and then papalitan ng bago. So malaking tulong yun sa mga mahilig sa kotse katulad ko. Kasi once na repaint mo, syempre hindi na siya counted as original paint car. At saka masakit sa bulsa pag pipinturahan. Maliban sa pinaka-obvious na ni-wrap natin, ano pa pinalitan natin? Number 1, pinalitan na natin ng Race TE37 Book Racing mugs. So, original size pa rin siya. Wrap with Michelin Pilot Sport 5 para lagi tayo safety. So, at the back, ano mga ginawa natin? Pinalitan natin ng full exhaust from the cut back. It's made with stainless steel and it's built by our very own Drip Sauce. If you are interested in our muffler upgrades, pwede rin kayo dumiretso kay Drip Sauce Philippines or you can talk to me. So before we go inside, ano mga ginawa natin dito sa labas? Pinalitan natin ng laser fog lights. So ngayon, doon mo yung fog lights mo, meron siyang low beam. Pag nag-high beam ka, sumasama din siya sa high beam. Yung high beam niya, yan yung laser beam natin. Na kaya niya mag-luminate 1 kilometer away. Pero that lang siya, which is malaking tulong yan, lalo na kung sports car ang gamit mo, mabilis ang takbo mo. Kailangan mo talaga makita yung super layo. Pero these fog lights, it's not only for sports cars, it's also for off-road use and also for private use. Nakalingkat din siya, kaya wala kang problema na nasisilaw yung kasalubong nyo. Unless, nag-high beam ka. So, let's move inside. So now that we're inside, as you can see, we installed our very own carbon fiber steering wheel, combination with Napa leather. Super comfortable siya ihawak na ngayon. Lalo na yung Subaru.
Sorry, nalobat yung isang phone kaya ibang quality ngayon. Hindi na siya yung katulad dati. Lalo na yung stock na Subaru steering wheel. Nagkukupas-kupas na yung mga leather niya. Ganda-ganda ng kotse pero ang pangit naman ng steering wheel. Kaya we installed our very own carbon fiber steering wheel. So, maliban dyan, we also changed the shift knob. Kupas-kupas na rin yung leather. So, naging smooth na. Dapat hindi smooth to. Pinalitan namin ng racing shift knob. Super ganda sa grip ngayon. Iban sa steering wheel and shift knob, pinalitan din namin yung Android head unit with also our very own head unit. So, it comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So, basically, anything what your phone can do, this head unit can do also.
So that is it, folks. Yan yung mga ginawa natin sa STI natin. If you're interested in any of our product that you see in the video, just give us a message or give us a call. So thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.